Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Davey Williams, and I'm here just to show you a new quick recipe to have a remedy to make you feel better when you have a cold, flu, or COVID. Recently, I had a bad cough, headache, congestion, couldn't sleep, but drinking this really helped me a lot. A clove of garlic, a branch of ginger, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about a teaspoon of honey, maybe two if you like it sweeter, and couple slices of lemon, and then boiling hot water and a blender. You have the honey, garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper, and a fresh lemon. Garlic. You have the hammer, and you can mash it up into little pieces. Spicy.